every trader has faced it. You see a breakout, then boom, you enter, and what happens? The market takes you out. So stay to the end, because in this video I'll be showing you how to avoid the simple break and retest trap. Now, what is a false breakout and how can you identify one? I'll be using my screen today to show you an illustration. So for example, we have our key level here, which is our resistance. This is our key level. Then price is approaching our resistance, giving it a multiple touch, then pulls back, come there again, pulls back, come there again, pulls back. Then eventually you see price going past your key level, just like this, then comes back into that key level, just like this. Then we can call this a false breakout. Why? Because price didn't close above your false breakout. Price didn't close above your demand zone. Do you get me? Let me take another illustration. We have this as our support level. Price coming over here, price approaching your support level, just like this, giving it a multiple touch, and eventually you see something like this. Now this is a false breakout. Why? Is because price failed to close above or below this support level. Do you understand? So how can you identify a confirmed breakout? Using our chart here, this is our resistance level. And this is our price. Price is approaching your zone, your resistance level. And price broke out but closed. Price closed above it, just like this. Price closed above it. Do you understand? So what you should do now is to wait for price to come back into that your key level. To come back into that your key level for a retest. For a retest. Do you get it? For a retest. So this is called a confirmed breakout. A confirmed breakout. But you can also see something like this. Something like this. Price going in this way. In a bearish way. Just like this, in a bearish way. And eventually you draw your resistance level from up, down. Then price broke out from this level. Price broke out from this level. From this level. This is called a confirmed breakout. What you should do is that you should wait for price to come back to that zone, to come back to that your key level. For price to come to that your key level before taking the buy. You can see it. But if it's a failed breakout, it will be like this. It will look like this. Price moving this way. For example, we have our bearish move. Then it will look exactly like this. Then back into that zone. Now let me go to the real chart. We have our Euro USD 1 month time frame. Euro USD 1 month time frame. And what should I identify in this Euro USD 1 month time frame? First of all, I'm looking at the structure of this market. Then I have to spot out my resistance level and the support level. This is my support level over here. You can see my support level. Let me lower this. This is my support level. Why did I call this a support level? Because of these multiple touches over here, over here. This is a false breakout. This is a false breakout. Why did I say it's a false breakout? Because you can see the rejection of this candlestick, the rejection of this candlestick. Then it went all the way up, coming down, gave it another rejection, then pulling. So this is a confirmed support level. So because it has broken out, it came back to retest that support level it broke out from. You can see it clearly. This is the, hold on, this is the resistance, this is the support it broke out from, came back up there, touched it, came down, went back up, touched it. So this is how to identify a key level with a very, very confirmed close border above or below that chart you're looking at. I just showed you how to identify a breakout and a false breakout. But before I dive into another topic quickly, let me go to JPY 4-hour charts to show you another resistance level. So looking at JPY, this is a 4-hour time frame. What can I see here? I will map out my resistance level. You can see it. This is a clear resistance level. From here, we have this touch, we have this touch, we have this touch, we have this touch. Do you understand? So what are we waiting for? We should wait for price to come to this area and touch this line, just like how all these candlesticks were respecting this line over here before falling down to this area. This is how to trade using a trend line. Do you understand? But if price come over here and close like this, let me use a diagram of, if price close above it, like this, it's saying that this trend line has failed, this resistance has failed. Do you understand? Then we can say that all JPY is bullish. Then what are we going to do? You should wait for a retest back into that zone, back into that trend line which you drew, which turned into a support level like this. Just like this. So how should you take this trade? Because it tested over here, you put your targeting over this high, then your SL below that trade. As simple as short. Now I just showed you the simple rules to follow using a breakout and retest. These are the things to avoid. Avoid jumping in too quickly. Always wait for a full body closure of that candlesticks, and always look for your retest. And also enter with confirmation. So if you find this video useful, smash that subscription button and like this video right now, because I'll be dropping more educative content about trading. Thanks for watching.